So, hello friends, today we have a very special guest, and this is the excellent Nikkor 28-105mm, which is one of the few zooms besides the Nikon 70-180 that is capable of doing true macro. This is done through this small switch here, and then it gets reproduction radio of 1.2, which is really good, but with an extension ring we can get the reproduction of 1.1. Okay, so that's it. Why we're here is because sadly this lens has fungus in the front element, which we're going to clean. So this is, you can see it there. This lamp, there's a big spot here, not very nice. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the front element, and we're going to get it clean. So this is rather easy procedure. This is done by getting a screw, which is here. So normally there is glue on it that I already removed. So you see the screw here. I already removed as usual by using isopropyl alcohol. So I just make the demonstration here. I get it. I put a drop here. I wait. Then I put a second drop, and then it was good. So, and then thing is rather simple here. So I unscrew this. I don't have to remove the screw, and then I just simply have to force here a bit. And then I'm able to remove thin. Here you get the lens. We have some fungus here in the bottom, just one small spot, and then the rest of the fungus is essentially behind this lens. So here. So we're going to get it clean, and then that's pretty much for it. So before a war of war, so when you're going to disassemble, don't try to remove this ring here, because what happened to me, and then I got in trouble with it, was that initially I force here with a fork, and then this thing rotates, and then this screw here, the screw that allows removing thing here, damage the threading here. This is why I had to file it to get something again good. So okay, so that's for the disassembly. Really simple thing. Now let me get my cleaning stuff, and then we can do the cleaning. So I got my cleaning items. So I have this cleaning paper, which is really good. The isopropyl alcohol, which is sold as AMA HTMC. And then that's it. I have a small brush here, and then on the other side I have this small cup, which I'm going to use to rubber the paper, so I don't have to touch the lens with my fingers, which is really useful. And then it also allows me to not to waste too much paper, because I just only need to cover a big surface, well, I was doing it. If I was doing it with my fingers, I would have to take a big paper in order to be to manipulate it. Okay, so this is all for the cleaning. So I will cut a piece of paper. As I told you, this allows me to save on this paper, because this is an old stock I got, and then the new paper I have found is not as good as the old paper, so I keep it preciously, like a big treasure. Yeah, because the new paper, yeah, doesn't do the job properly. So cleaning is rather trivial. So I scrub with the alcohol. We take the paper, we drop it over the lens, then we use the small cup, and then we do circular motions from center towards exterior. I will need a second go because alcohol dried really fast. I didn't put enough. So it's probably also all the lights I'm using that evaporates it really quickly. So I will hurry up. Open the paper and the cup. Now I put enough alcohol, you can feel it. I think it lights perfectly. Then I remove the paper, and then yeah. Well, you cannot see it because it was already difficult to see it in the beginning, but the fungus is gone. So I'll keep this here, and then we'll do exactly the same thing for the second element, which had a small spot of fungus. So maybe do some focusing before, same thing as before. Apply the alcohol. Rub until until yours clean, pretty much. Okay. Let some dirt marks. Then I take my paper to do this. I usually use some tweezers, and then yeah, everything is nice and clean now. So let me keep this treasure paper here, and then I finish the cleaning, which is just blow all the dirt that could have come into the lens while we were just working on it. Let me put this down. Then same thing here. Just blow the lens. I prefer to keep it down both sides so I don't have stuff falling. And then for the assembly, I'm doing this upside down really quick. I just need to find the thread. I just come to the end, and then I just screw in. I don't need to tight very much. And then I put it down, and then that's it. Will be clean. Okay. So there is some dirt on the outside. On the inside, it looks really clean now. So let me take a go here to finish cleaning everything properly. Okay, well, it doesn't look clean because before, initially, when I tried to clean, to remove the lens initially, and probably you can take this advice as well, is that I do this all the time when I'm going to unscrew the lenses using the rings here. I put some tape cover, so if the tool slips, I don't damage the lens. So, and then, but this is glue. This is sticky, so this is why you have some traces of glue. But then, yeah, I think I have to rub for a while. But then, important thing is fungus is gone, and then our lens is good again. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.